Hey, what is up guys? In this video we're going to be doing a mid to high skin fade, and I'm going to be showing you guys the exact steps that I use to achieve the look. So right off the bat we start off with our number 2 guard all the way open, and we're just using this to go straight off the head to clear off some bulk. So quickly after that we're just going to use our trimmer to set a guideline. And once we're done, we're just gonna bald out everything that is underneath the line. So now with our bald shaver, we're just gonna get it nice and tight to the skin. And as we get closer to the line at the top, we're just trying to flick out a little bit so it creates not such a hard line and it's easier for us to take out. So we're just gonna go ahead with the no guard all the way open, and after that I close the guard to halfway, going over the same area, and once we're done that I close it all the way and try to blend out the line that is there. After you're done this step, there will still be a line at the very bottom, but don't worry, we're going to go back in later on with a trimmer to remove that line. So one thing to note here as I'm taking out the bottom line with the trimmer is pay attention to how I'm only using the corner of the blade and never the full blade. The reason I do this is because I wanted to blend out and not create another hard line. Now that we have that step complete, we know the shortest length that we're working to, which is going to be skin, and from here we're just going to work our way from top to bottom. I got my 1.5 guard and we're starting open, and as soon as I've gone through the area I'm going to close it and go over it again as we're going to slowly blend this down. So now you see I have my number 1 guard. I always start open again, and using a lot of that corner now that we're getting into the shorter length. So this is the 1 guard open. You see I just switched to 1 guard closed now, and you see it's starting to fade out as we get down to the lower guards. So now underneath the 1 guard we got our 0.5 guard, and here again like always we will start open, but with this starting from 0.5 guard we're doing a little bit different. We're going midway and then all the way close. So open, mid, then close. So from this point on, I'm pretty much strictly only using the corners of the clipper. I know it's hard to tell from the video, but that's exactly what I'm doing, is just using the corner of the blades. So going open, midway, then close. So now this is the final step of the system. We have no guard, and again we're doing the same thing as the 0.5 guard. We're starting open, going midway, and then all the way close. And now it's especially important of how much of the corner we're using to kind of detail the haircut as we're blending down. So another thing I wanted to mention is that even though we're only using the corners of the clipper most of the time throughout the haircut, that does not mean the haircut is gonna take a long time. Once you get the hang of it, the whole haircut should still be about 30 minutes long. So now we're pretty much done with the clipper, and what I'm doing here is just using the texturizing shears and doing a little bit of scissor over comb to blend in the top. So that top bulk portion is where the head starts to curve, and I don't touch that part with the clipper. I leave it all with the scissor and the comb. So here you can also use clipper over comb, but I like to use the texturizing scissors because it creates a level of safety. And also I can detail my fades at the same time, kind of touching up little dark spots that I see along the way. So we're all done with the sides, and we're just going to give the top a little bit of water. This way the hair clumps together and you're going to get a more clean cut. So a reason why I like starting from the back moving forward is because there's always an indicator or a line of how much hair the client wants to cut off without him having even to tell you. It's hard to explain, but the more you try to look for it, you eventually find it. So what I'm doing now is I'm pretty much pulling all the hair straight up and slowly moving down to the front of the head. So as I'm blending in the beard here, you can really see the side of the fade and how blurry that came out. And if you follow this method, all haircuts, any hair texture, any hair type, you can finish any haircut in pretty much 30 minutes or less. And right now we're just doing a little bit of styling and making sure he looks good before he heads out. So this is the final look of the haircut. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys found this video helpful at all. I just wanted to make hair cutting as easy as possible for people without all the difficult techniques that you see online. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.